Stahlin's exciting new mounting flange for polycarbonate enclosures is an ideal solution for installations requiring heavy-duty mounting support in harsh environments. The flange is designed to provide a robust mounting option that enhances the most flexible line of polycarbonate enclosures on the market. Utilizing a lightweight, high-impact rated, UV-resistant polycarbonate material construction, the flange can be installed simply with the use of common tools. The innovative mounting cross allows for multiple screw positions, reducing the need for on-site modifications or adjustments, and the water-shedding design keeps equipment secured and protected when installed in harsh environments. The mounting flange can be ordered included with Stahlin's industry-leading polycarbonate enclosures or as individual kits. Head over to www.stahlin.com today to add to your next bill of material.